until unajua jana.
So thank you Mr. Thank you Mr. Principal.
Students, today we have a new colleague, a new teacher.
Mama,
take you through mathematics and physics. And there's a good teacher. You can see, he's a very short teacher. Yes. I can give him a chance to express herself and tell you unajua jana.
So thank you Mr. Thank you Mr. Principal.
Yes.
Good morning parade. So I am a new teacher kutoka kutoka
my friend. Iya tunasema hakufunza ile nini? Tunasimama straight.
Yes. I know.
Yes. Then you express yourself without fear.
Yes.
Eye contact.
Yes. Eye contact.
Yes.
So good morning parade. I'm a new teacher called known as Mr. Julius. Yes. So I will take you through mathematics, physics. So let us meet in class. Maximum cooperation. I need you. Yes.
Ulibia mtani wewe?
No principal. No.
You know unajiadisha kwa wanafunzi.
You know
I can fire you now.
It is my time yangu.
I can fire you now. I can fire you.
I don't want that. I will improve.
You will improve?
Yes.
Alafu funza watoto ujinga utaona.
So let us meet in class.
So this is your new teacher na mnasikia bila anaongea.
I am a serious teacher.
Yes. So tukutane darasani.
Yes.